Hi there, Sanbonani Molweni. Welcome to Fix Channel. If you're new here, please subscribe before the end of the video. If returning, thank you for love and support. I appreciate you. Sitting there with season 8, uthando nesithembu. Angithanda ukuthi ngikhuluma iphutha ngithi kulo season 6 no season 7 kukhona abazwile kahle ukuthi yini u2007 uze emva ka2009 kube ku2007 ofika qala. Ngathi mina guys into esizobalula njengoba sesibuka ama-episode amaningi, sabuka ama-seasons awu-7 sesiya ku-8. Sekunemibuzo eminingi kakhulu ngoba ezinye iy'ndaba ziwu-half. Kodwa-ke umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi u2007 wenzeka kanjani ube semva ka2009. Season 6 uveza lokho kanye no-season 7. Ngenza amavidiyo amafishane-ke. Thank you so much for your love and support. Ngiyabonga ngiqede. Bye.